Coding Technology here. I'm just going to quickly show you guys how to play sound in Android with Java, Android Studio. So this is it's pretty easy to do, but I'll just make a tutorial. I'll be making things as clear as I possibly can, and you'll be able to see the entire layout of the screen the whole time. So just a good follow on, just a good reference. So making three buttons here. It's going to be play, pause, and stop. So I'll just go name this play button. Also name it play. Pause button. And we'll call this stop button. Stop. Okay, that's good. We're good for the layout. So now we will go over to the main activity. And under where main activity is declared, we want to make our media player. So we'll go private, media player. And we'll call this play song. And just go option and enter to import the class. And we also need a button, which we will call play, pause. Sorry, I've done that the wrong way around. No, I've done that right. Play, button, pause, private, button, stop, option and enter. Okay, that should import perfectly. So after our onCreate method, so this is where all the code's initially where all the code is initially first executed. So we need to make an on-click listener for all the buttons. So go set on click listener. On click listener. New dot on at override. So this is just to ensure that it's running on a different thread. So this is why you can click at any time. So that's why that is important. Then public void on click view argument 0. And here so that should work perfectly. So we'll copy paste this 3 times. Okay, so we'll connect this to pause, and stop. Okay, and under our onCreate method, we need to connect these buttons to our main activity. So to do this, we just type the name of the button, then in brackets go button dot find so play equals, so I forgot the equals, find view by ID dot ID dot, and we'll want to go play button. So this is my second attempt, so go play button. Okay, that's good. We'll copy and paste this 3 times. Put the bracket. So I've cursed in the first video, so I had to make it twice. So go stop, pause. It's going to be called stop. And pause. I have no idea why it does that. Okay, so for the play button, so we'll want to, actually before we do that, so in the resources folder, you'll want to make a new folder and call this raw. So in your raw folder, so grab the song that you want to play, so or tone, so you have to go Control C or Command C, you have to copy and paste it, you can't drag it for some reason. Then paste that in there. So now it's in a raw folder, so type the name of your media player, so play song, so go play song equals media player dot create main activity dot this dot raw dot flowbots, the name of the song, semicolon. Then this is the easy part, so go play song, the name of our media player, and go start. Now for pause, go play song dot pause. Okay, now this should work perfectly, so I'll start the virtual device and we'll see how this goes. Don't know why it does that, but the emulator's still going to work, so just give this a second. Use the stop function that that also removes the track from that's been set to the media player. So when you go stop, that's why I decided to place the song within the play button, if that makes any sense. So if you do press the stop button, then the song will be assigned to the media player before you play it. Otherwise we'll just have a blank track. So I'll just disconnect my mic and you'll hear it play. Sorry, it's not very loud.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars.
Pause. Well, I've got the pause and stop button mixed up, but as you can see, if you were to swap those around, it would work perfectly. So thanks for watching and subscribe. Thanks.